Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make Tom Yum Goong soup. Gather shrimp, lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, galangal, fish sauce, lime juice, chilies, mushrooms, and broth. Start by bruising aromatics and simmering to infuse the stock for a clean, fragrant base. Add mushrooms and shrimp near the end to avoid overcooking. Finish with fish sauce and lime juice, then taste and adjust for heat and sourness. Start by trimming lemongrass and slicing galangal thinly to maximize flavor release. Bruise the lemongrass and gently simmer with kaffir lime leaves in 4 cups of broth for 10 to 15 minutes to get a clear, aromatic base. Strain if desired, then return the broth, add mushrooms, and add shrimp only in the final 2 to 3 minutes to keep them tender and juicy. Taste as you go and adjust seasoning with fish sauce for saltiness and lime juice for acidity, aiming for a lively balance of spicy, sour, and salty. For a richer version called Nam Khan, stir in a splash of coconut milk or evaporated milk for silkiness. Try variations like adding cherry tomatoes, palm sugar for slight sweetness, or substituting shrimp with fish or tofu to adapt to dietary preferences.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.